back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adrian, and today we're going to discuss three questions that we're going to ask. Is manners important to Jamaicans? Does Jamaican parents take away kids' right to expression? And do Jamaican parents burden their children? So the first thing we're going to talk about is manners important to Jamaicans? Alright, so obviously manners is very important worldwide, but especially in Jamaica, manners is very important. If you're passing someone on the street and you don't say good morning and they know you, they're going to say, I made you sleep last night. I made you sleep last night, mean if you and the person slept together last night. And I mean, that's something they don't care about the age. If you're a child, you're an adult, you're an old lady, whatever it is, it's just not a serious expression. It's just, I made you sleep last night, so it's like they're saying, where's your manners? I didn't sleep at your house last night. We didn't sleep together. We didn't wake up together. So why did you pass me and not say good morning? So manners is very important. And if an older person go and complain to your parent and said, oh, your son passed me this morning and didn't say good morning or didn't say hello, then your parent gonna ask you, why didn't you talk to Mr. Jane, Miss Jane, or Mr. John? Miss Jane. That's a little bit funny. And then number two, does parents take away kids' right to expression? So I lived in Jamaica for 20 years and I've been in the United States for about 6 now, and I realized that kids here have the freedom of expression per se. So parents said that they give their child the right to express themselves. They have colored hair, they have different things like piercings, tattoos, all these different things parents sign off for them to do. Extensions, nails, all those stuff. I mean, the more kids mature in Jamaica, you start to see them getting more experimental. So you see at age maybe 16, 17, 18, they start getting the opportunity to wear nails, paint their fingernails, wear extension, but to a very minimum. So you won't see a 3-year-old wearing blue hair or long braids, because they say you're a child, so you should act like a child, so the braids has to be a certain length. So that's very different from across the world. I mean, especially here in America, people say it's freedom of expression, but in Jamaica we feel like it's about not expression, but more of age limit, or you know what I'm saying. Do Jamaican parents burden their children? So I've realized that a lot of parents here in America and a lot of other places tend to give kids very limited chores to do. As you can see, it's very different in Jamaica because parents have to work long hours and it's crazy. A lot of them are self-employed because it's very easy to open businesses in Jamaica because everybody pretty much is self-employed. They're either selling on the side of the street, selling drinks or snacks or food or anything like that. So the child now has to become more of a leader to the family. So like my mom personally, she used to go to work from 6 a.m. in the morning and get home at like 6 p.m. And I would have to take the responsibility for my 3 younger siblings and take care of them meanwhile she get home and cook and all those stuff. I had chores to do. At the age of 7, I started learning how to wash my own clothing because I used to get really messy, and she was like, it's either you're gonna stop being messy or you're gonna be put to work. So I mean, personal experience, I don't feel like they burden their kids, but in a lot of other countries they'll feel like they're burdened, but no. So these 3 questions are truly false. They don't stop kids from having freedom of expression, but there's a limitation to that. They don't overburden their kids, but kids have to learn responsibility at a young age. And its manner is very important. Of course, it's important across the world, but in a lot of larger cities, you find that people are always on the move, so you could say hello and they wouldn't say hello back. So these are 3 facts that some people think that are a thin line in between not allowing your child to express themselves, but in our culture, it's expression with limitation. And guys, if you like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. And I want to thank you all for watching. See you all next time.